Hey you guys, we're gonna do something cool for you guys. We're gonna do an unboxing video. What are we unboxing today?
The Funco Ultimate Unboxing Box at Gamestop yesterday. And I think they said that they're clearing out the warehouse and they put all of their things into boxes and you're supposed to get, I think you get a Funko figure and you get a couple other items. I don't exactly know how many are in here, but we wanted to pick up a couple and film an unboxing video for you. So
all right.
This is what the box looks like. It's a pretty big box. Do you want to?
Yes, let's open it up. Okay, so once you open it up, and you open up the lid, you open the top.
Oh, that's cool.
You gotta look inside.
No, don't show them the inside yet.
Okay.
You gotta pull
All
it
right.
out. You pull out the first thing.
Okay, let's see.
You go first.
Ooh.
What is that? What is that?
It says it's Five Nights at Freddy's. It's a a lanyard. What do you say that? Like
A lanyard?
a lanyard? Yeah. This
Okay.
is really cool.
Our assistant has just informed us that Friday. What is it? Five Nights at Freddy's is a horror game.
Oh.
But I'm not hip. Oh, it's a badge holder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a badge holder with.
Oh, you can't see it.
And you get a little silicone figure assistant. Who is this?
Oh, that's Foxy.
This is Foxy. And then you get a badge holder that has another picture of Foxy in it. And you get a lanyard so you can wear it.
That's super cool.
That's pretty cool.
That's super cool. Okay, so that's the first item.
I'm going to reach in.
Okay.
Ooh, I got a blind bag.
Ooh.
It's another Five Nights at Freddy's. And it looks like you get 8 characters and then a mystery figure. So that's what you can get. Those are your options there. And then you can get a mystery figure.
Okay. What do we get? Ooh.
Ooh. He's cute. He looks mean though. It's
okay, assistant. What is that? Oh no, wait.
Yeah, assistant.
It's a fox of some sort?
I'm pretty sure that might be Foxy. I'm not sure though.
They don't have names on them. They're just numbered. But
Okay,
he's
so
bright orange, and he's got an eye patch, and then you can clip him to your keychain, a backpack, something, you know. He's got a pink tummy and then some kind of
that's super cool.
funky looking teeth.
If you know what this thing is, comment below.
Yeah, comment if
and
you
let us know.
Know his name.
Because I'm not sure
and
about what this
assistant
is.
Fired.
Yes. Okay. All right.
All right, your turn.
I'm gonna reach my hand in there. I'm gonna. Okay.
Ooh, you got another blind bag.
Ooh.
What is that?
It's a pint-sized Heroes. Sister. Oh, it's another Five Nights at Freddy's.
So this must be a Five Nights.
It must be.
Theme box.
Do you know what a pint-sized Heroes are?
Assistant? Do you know?
No, I know what they are. They're
Oh.
little figures.
Do they have the characters on the back?
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like you can get 12 characters. You're going to get one of 12, and that's what they look like. And this is from the sister location. I don't know what that. Our assistant is not.
Ooh, I like that little clown thing. I hope we get.
Is that what you want to get?
I hope we
get
that little clown girl, right there. Maybe. Let's see. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh, did we? Oh, what is that?
So we have a.
Oh wow.
We got a checklist, but again, they don't have names. They just show you what characters you can possibly get.
Okay.
And we've got.
This is what we got. So if you know what this is, please comment
know
below
who
and let
it
us
is.
know. This is a game? Is this what this is?
It's a horror game.
It's a horror game. Is it like I can download it like on my Xbox or something? Or is it like a
How do you play Five Nights at Freddy's?
Oh, it's like, I don't really, I've never played it, but
Okay, well I
play
think
it.
we're gonna have to play it. I don't know.
Alright, is this
Okay.
the last thing?
I don't know. Oh, don't look inside.
Oh no,
Yeah,
it's
you
not.
got-
There's 2 more
You
things.
gotta put your hand on there.
Okay, I'm gonna read
This is a cool little box. And it was only, what, $10?
$10, yeah. Okay, here's another. It's an ink pen. It's a duck. Or a
What?
chicken?
Chica.
Chica. Assistant
Ah.
says Chica. And it says Five Nights at Freddy's on the pin. It doesn't light up or anything, but that's really cool.
That is neat. I like that.
I love to collect pins.
Yeah,
So
you do.
this is a thing. All right, and you
Alright.
get the last one.
I don't want to do the... Is there anything other than the
No,
pop?
It's it, the pop figures.
Okay, you ready? Now, okay, I love pop figures. We have, what, 15 or so?
Yeah.
I have a bunch of pop figures. So, let's see what we got. Oh, that's super cool.
What's his name?
It's Funtime Freddy.
Funtime Freddy. He's from the sister location as well. That's what it says
And
on
it's
the box.
number 225. And this is one of set of 4.
That's what the possibilities
Yeah.
are that you could get.
Yeah. Well, this is how many it's in this particular set
Oh, okay.
of pop figures.
I gotcha.
So, I like this. I like this box.
This is Funtime Foxy.
Okay, so this is Funtime Foxy.
Our
Okay.
assistant has informed us that this is Funtime Foxy from the sister location.
Okay.
So,
All right,
all
let's,
right, that was a pretty cool box.
all right, let's do a recap. What all
This
did we
was our
get?
first time looking at the box. We hadn't researched it or anything beforehand. And it seems to be like normal boxes. You get 5 products, and then you get one big product, which was the pop. And then we got 4 smaller items in the box. But
This is,
I think it's worth $10.
I don't think so too.
I mean,
so you get this. That you
how
hang
much
on
are
your.
pop figures regular?
Oh, like $10, $12.
Yeah, okay, so you get your money it's worth with the
Yeah.
pop figure by itself. So it was a pretty cool box.
I like it. 3. Okay, so let's do a recap. So we got this pint size hero.
It's a Funtime Foxy,
Oh, okay, and then we got the pin.
Chica,
Chica. Okay, and we got, what do you call this? Like a little backpack,
plushie.
plushie thing.
Yeah, he can go in a purse, a backpack.
Yeah, I like this. It's kind of cool. And then this is what I really like. I'm really liking this thing.
This little
I don't know if
badge
you can see it
holder with the...
earlier, but it's kind of dark.
Oh, there you go.
Little badge
You can
holder.
see it right there.
And then a little,
Silicone.
yeah, I'm gonna wear
Fox.
this. Oh, and it, oh, this is reversible. So you have your light one says Foxy, and then this one says Five Nights at Freddy's.
And then the last thing was the Funko
pop.
Pop.
So what do you
What do
think?
you guys think? You think it's worth the money? You think you go pick one up at GameStop? They have different colors. They have a green, a blue, and a pink box. And I asked the guy, and he said that they're all supposed to be random. Like the pink is not for girls, and then the green and blue are for boys. They're all just supposed to be random items. They're just different color boxes.
Okay. Well, you should go by and get another one.
Let us know in the comments
Yes.
what you guys thought about the box. If
And
you
like
think
and
it's worth
subscribe.
the money. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next one.
Okay. Bye, you guys.
Bye.